everybody, this is Will here with SRT Amplification, and I just wanted to get this video out here. It's going to be a really short one. Give you a little demonstration of the V-M audio stereo amplifier that I put together. I bought a chassis, and then I had to add some components, rewire some stuff, and make it to where it's usable with my system. And I finally got it up and running yesterday, or day before yesterday. And just wanted to get this quick video out to you guys so you could see it in operation and also hear a little bit of it. So stay tuned. Alright, so I got my V-M Voice of Music model 20036 up and running. I had to add a volume pot right here. I haven't got a faceplate for it yet, but I added it into the input section. It's a double pot, one for each channel, and it works just fine. That was a little clip you heard there at the beginning. That was actually off the radio. I'm running the radio into the RCA jacks. Eventually I'll get a 3.5 millimeter jack somewhere up here in the front, and I think I'm going to relocate where these RCA jacks are as well. Let me get an album on the old Recama player here, and we'll see what it sounds like. Alright, so as you can see, I've got scores of albums here, and this is not all of my albums. I'm still kind of sorting through them and seeing which ones I want to put in here, because I can only put in so many. Because I can't lift this one up enough to get another row underneath there. So anyway, this is what I've been rotating through my listening right now. But right now for this sound test, I'm going to put on, get some light on in here. I'm going to put on ZZ Top's Afterburner. A little bit of it. I'll only do a small sound clip. Too bad you can't hear this in stereo, but let's see what it sounds like. Alright. Alright, well, there's a little sound clip there. Slip and slap my sleeping bag. Let's see what else we got here. Let's move it over another groove here. Let's see what we got. Alright, well, as you can hear, it's working now with the radio and the vinyl, and got this thing all hooked up. What they did before I purchased it, and what I was actually going to do anyway, but I'm glad it had already been done, is they've added this extra tube right here for a preamp stage. So that's what's actually, this is all inclusive of preamp and power amp. So this one is basically your preamp. They're using both sides of the AX7, one per channel. And then your other 12AX7 that was originally on it is the phase inversion for both channels. So, and obviously you got your rectifier over there. Also on this we have another rectifier that we can use over here, and a power socket that can power a tuner or the likes, whatever, any external component you want to do on that one. So this transformer is oversized to not only power the amplifier, but to also power other components as well. And so that's that. I know you guys have been wondering what has been going on with this, and I finally got it up and running. There's still some modifications and some adjustments I need to make on it, and I'm also waiting on parts for that the Darson amplifier, and I think you're going to really enjoy what you see when you see that coming. I would have had a Tech Talk Tuesday this week, but unfortunately we had a pet death in the family yesterday, or day before yesterday, on Tuesday actually, and so we had to have the funeral and everything for that, so I didn't get around to making a Tech Talk Tuesday this week, but hopefully next week I'll have a Tech Talk Tuesday. And just wanted to get this short little video out here of this V-M Voice of Music model 20036 stereo audio amplifier. And we will see you in the next video.